Hi beautiful people. My name is Sophia and I'm here to create a new world with you. I hope guys that you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Welcome to my channel. If it's the first time that you're stopping by, thank you so much for all the new subscribers. You, my YouTube family. Thank you for all your donations. I love you. Thank you so much for that. You are the best. I come and I trust that this is going back tenfold in your direction, in your life, in any shape or form. You blessed human being. I am a star seed, a mental health counselor, hybrid star seed, hybrid multidimensional star seed. This signifies that my DNA carries different stellar races. I'm extremely connected to Lemuria, Mintaka, and Andromeda. And I have also my Egyptian family that I have been initiated by. And my Indian deities, Ganesha, Lakshmi, and Hanuman. Do not forget to subscribe to my video if you want to be activated to jump and switch into your highest timeline. This is what I do. As a shaman, I have the ability to step into your Akashic records naturally, effortlessly, with ease and grace, and transmute any trauma, any fear, any bone, any anxiety, anything that is generational curse attached to you, and do not allow you to live your best life. Basically, I'm just cutting anything away to align you, direct you into your highest timeline. I propose one-on-one session. I have two options. The first one is healing and reading, and the second one is the private session, 1 hour, where I offer you golden cellular treatment. This is where I need to clear and cleanse you first, call your power back before allows you to integrate sun energy. Your body needs to be purified before integrating new codes. Those are extremely. My ears are ringing. This is talking directly to someone that needs to take action toward this direction. Those are sun codes that are extremely guided just for your highest and best good. This is changing your old DNA. You are basically shifting into your best reality, desired reality, in the speed of light. I'm here to suppress everything that does not serve you, anything that is fear-based, any action that you can't do due to any blockage. I'm here to burn that with the cosmic giant. Interesting. I was about to say cosmic dragon and I almost say cosmic diamond. Someone out there have the sinus, ears and eye system that is resetting itself in a way just to welcome new codes. New activation, new download, energetic download. You are ready. There is a message for someone. You're ready. You're ready to step into your new reality. It's as if, like you're having the breakthrough that you're done with the first chapter of your life, and you're so ready to welcome the true authentic version of yourself. You are here. I'm hearing success. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles energy. And you now are having some real insight and breakthrough about it. Maybe you just met someone, and everything is changing. Someone out there is way too worried about what people think. You're way too worried. You have been mocked. So you just have some different luck that I'm able to unlock if this is something that resonates, because it seems that you're ready. Receive these codes. These are water codes. They are saying they're saying actions. It's time for action modes, because you have to prepare yourself for this is not the first time that I'm hearing that. Something is going to happen within the next 3 months, something around December, or maybe just a little bit before, but there is something's coming, and it's as if your body really needs a big purge, an energetic purge, an energetic reset. Anything has to be clear and prepared, washed, cleared and cleansed, purified. These are opalescent water frequency to prepare your body. You need someone out there really need a session, an energetic session, to cut any bond, anything that is linked to the past, because you have to be completely cleared, cleansed and cleansed to welcome the new codes, the new activation. Might be a relationship that coming, but you need to be flushing. I'm pretty seeing something that needs to be flushed out. I'm hearing the letter F. G akite inere wa ian L and M ikatri ikiki inere su o ikatri ku kanre su tu atre ene katia kaya su utrei ku ne ku tu itre inere su kadre andre ku tu usa ku Treo Kuasua. Ku Andrea Yai Kutrea Yai Nerea Kues Yai Su Trio Ku Andrea Kuasi Naraya Kuasi Akenia yeah, something is coming definitively. Your body is preparing for a big integration. Might be a travel for someone or just entering divine union. There is just a little bit of blocks, easy blocks to remove, but something your body needs perfection, perfect. Kudrikuyu sukuku Anea kaya katrea naya ekotreo yonrea surrender code katrea yonrea kukanrea kiatia trio I just saw Medusa yatrio koenrea kudruku your condor energy Wantai Kadria, Wantai Kadriku, Wantai Kadriku. Okay, receive codes from the Great Central Sun. Now we could to burn any beliefs, false belief, projection, anything that is fear-based, even just to jump into this energetic cleansing that you need. I 12 when I say that. Those are Lemurian codes. Rinsing, purging, purifying your body. Fluffing your auric field for you just to feel enlightened and feeling better and feeling joy and love. 13 when I say that, really fluffing your auric field. Anything that is not vibrating the highest of the highest light is now transmuted into the flame, sacred flame of the cosmic dragon. Thank you. My intention right now is for you to have the best mental clarity for you, for your destiny, for everything that you know is the greatest path for you. Taking action, jumping into it. Andromeda. This is code 1414. This is codes that are acting at the speed of light for you to take action extremely rapidly, rapid, transformational therapy. Grounding these codes into you until the deep bottom of Mother Earth. Emerging and from this false belief system that you have been trapped into. You deep, beautiful human being, generational curse breaker. So, congratulations. You're almost 15. That's such a big confirmation. You're there, my friend. You made it. You're awesome. You're so loved. No. If you want a session with me, please do not hesitate to book on my website. I'll put the link into the description box below. Until next time, namaste.